Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. India's single-day COVID-19 cases drops below 75,000. Recovery rate rises to 83.01%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates 6 mega projects in Uttarakhand under Namami Gange mission. Meghalaya government announces rupees 4 lakhs ex gratia for landslide victims. Centre to expand NCC in border areas of the northeast region. And now for the news in detail. COVID-19 cases in India dropped below 75,000 and less than 1,000 deaths were reported in a day after nearly a month, while total recoveries crossed the 51 lakh mark, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Tuesday. The total coronavirus cases in the country amounted to 61,45,291 with 70,589 new infections, while the death toll reached 96,318 after 776 people succumbed to the disease in a span of 24 hours. The data updated at 8 a.m. showed the total recovery surged to 51 lakh 1,397, pushing the recovery rate to 83.01%. A delegation of Limpung ki Hinroshnong on Monday met East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner Isawanda Lalu to express their concerns over keeping the COVID-19 positive patient at home. The Limpung ki Hinroshnong comprises of the Dorbashnong of the localities like Maukhar, Waingdo, Riyatsamthia, Umsosun, Mission Compound and Wathabru. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the Rangbashnong of the Umsosun village and President of the Limpung, Paul Sawian, said that they informed the Deputy Commissioner that it would be difficult for the people to keep the corona-positive patients at home. On her part, the Deputy Commissioner told the delegation that with the surge in the COVID-19 cases, there would be a situation in which the hospitals and the corona case centres set up by the state government would not be able to accommodate all the positive patients. On the proposal of the state government to set up a shopping mall at Barrick Point, Sawian said that the government instead should consider construction of outpatient department of the civil hospital Shillong at the proposed site.
Yung isapin semua itu sokar ketan mereka juga polri lah orang ini bah minum tamban pensiun kemudian ini nongkrong senang ini bagian semua bahan enam tiang siu ini kejipang mereka orang penuh nak kejipang tabawan ini kejipang kehiu diberi ia keren ru sepang ketika yang pilih dia bapak bapak sokar kemud mansna ka mall hadin huntin pandai ko mansna na ka pak ilaji mud ya sarkar lamba katika resolution ni bengilalong hakte jakahi mansna no da ka outpatient department jaka ai dawai jong civil hospital nang bijibril inyo banwan bensin dawai nang tu ban pintu nai ki khap nya bril hakte hospital ko bril.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated 6 mega projects in Uttarakhand under the Namami Gange mission through video conference. The project include construction of 68 MLD million litres per day sewage treatment plant, upgradation of the existing 27 MLD at Jagjithpur and construction of 18 MLD sewage treatment plant at Sarai in Haridwar. Addressing the inaugural function, Modi said his government moved forward with new thinking and new approach and did not limit the Namami Gange mission to the cleanliness of Ganga and made it the largest and comprehensive river conservation program in the country.
प्रयागराज कुंभ में गंगा जी की निर्मलता को दुनिया भर के श्रद्धालुओं ने अनुभव किया। अब हरिद्वार कुंभ के दौरान भी पूरी दुनिया को निर्मल गंगा स्नान का अनुभव होने वाला है और उसके लिए लगातार प्रयास चल रहे हैं।
Meghalaya government has announced immediate release of ex gratia amount of rupees 4 lakh each to next of kin of the recent landslides and flash floods victims of the states, including those involved in relief operations or associated with preparedness activities, said an official statement. This will be paid from the State Disaster Response Fund, SDRF. East Khasi Hills District Deputy Commissioner on Monday night issued a statement informing that the gratuitous relief in the form of ex gratia payment to the families of deceased person is applicable for all cases of persons deceased due to natural calamity. Altogether, 13 people have died in the state either due to landslides or flash floods in the last few days. The centre has prepared an elaborate plan to expand NCC in border areas of the North-East region. Highlighting the plan, Major General Ananta Bhuyan, ADG, NCC-NER, said that it was a welcome step since it would increase the outreach of the NCC into every nook and corner of the North-East. In an exclusive interview with DD News Shillong, he said that it would help in integrating students of the remotest locations with the mainstream and promote nationalism. According to him, 18,473 vacancies have been allotted to the North-East region, which translates to 18.47% of the total expansion.
I think it is a welcome step because it will allow maximum students from the border areas coming to the mainstream. It will spread nationalism, as also, large pool of young, dynamic leaders are available in the society. But most important is that it meets the security needs of the border areas.
World Heart Day is being observed today with an aim to draw people's attention to heart ailments and the whole range of associated health issues. The initiative was launched in 2000 by the World Heart Federation as an annual event and gets celebrated on 29th day of September ever since. It is being commemorated to promote different preventive steps and changes in lifestyles to avoid any cardiovascular diseases like heart attack, stroke, heart failure and any other condition related to the same. Speaking to DD News Shillong, Dr. Sinrang B. Wajri, cardiologist of Nazareth Hospital, has called upon people to give up sedentary life to maintain a healthy heart.
Today is World Heart Day. It is a day celebrated all over the globe to create awareness among people about the heart diseases that are prevalent in today's world. We need to inform people that heart diseases are the leading cause of death in the world. And as urbanization is happening and people are shifting to a sedentary work style and a work habit which is not healthy, food habits which are not healthy, there is an increasing incidence of heart diseases, which includes both ischemic heart diseases, stroke, hypertension. The more activity you get in your daily life, it is healthier, you get a healthier heart.
Now let's have a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature 23.7 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 83% and in the evening 88%. Forecast generally cloudy sky with 1 or 2 spells of rain or thunder showers. Now let's have a look at the headlines once again. India's single-day COVID-19 cases drop below 75,000, recovery rate rises to 83.01%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates 6 mega projects in Uttarakhand under Namami Gange mission. Meghalaya government announces Rs 4 lakh as ex gratia for landslide victims. And centre to expand NCC in border areas of the North-East region. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.